Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of all Slack accounts at once. If you have accessed Slack from multiple devices or browser, it is essential to ensure you're securely signed out from all sessions. First of all, open up the Slack application on your smartphone and log in. From the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Now, click on Preferences. Under Preferences, scroll down and tap on Account Settings. Inside the Account Settings tab, scroll all the way down until you see Sign Out of All Other Sessions and tap on it. You will now need to confirm by typing down your password for Slack. Type in your password in the text box at the bottom and finally click on Sign Out of All Other Sessions. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign out of all sessions on Slack. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.